Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. So I kind of made a little bit of a mistake this week. This new month is challenges potatoes, cabbage, and corned beef. But for some reason in my head I was thinking beef. So I got a steak here. I was going to do some steak and eggs for breakfast. Yeah. So actually I had something else I was going to make, but I just never got around to it, so maybe I'll try to do it next week. So let's get to it. I'm going to make some home fries, or fried potatoes. Trim off the ends. Okay, get this ribeye in because it's pretty. You know, it's a good thick steak. So nice. And that is one good smelling piece of meat. I'm gonna call the steak done. Get it off the pan and let it rest. Get my egg pan on. Get my eggs going. Alright, there's breakfast. Nice ribeye. Potatoes came out a little dark, but they still taste really good. Eggs over easy. And a nice crispy English muffin. Alrighty. A little bit of steak. Man. So I've been sitting here trying to close out this video, but man, the steak is so good. I just, kept grabbing a bite, Potatoes could have been better, but I normally parboil them first, and all you gotta do is brown them in the pan. This time I cooked them from a raw state, so you got a little dark, but they still taste good. Excuse me. Wow. Anyway, okay, come on. I'm trying to talk too fast. Wow. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and last week's video will be up in the end as well. I do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.